Hi you guys, welcome to my Curious Crafts. This is Shan, and in today's video we're participating in an open collaboration entitled Summer Vignette Collab 2020, and it's hosted by some of our favorite YouTube friends. Please make sure that you check the description box for the links to their channels as well as the link to the playlist. You guys, this was such a super fun collaboration to participate in. The only requirement you had was to use black and white. And for those of you who've been with me a while, you know that my favorite color is black, and I threw in a little pink to spice it up, and I chose to do a tablescape, but it was open for you to do a tablescape, style a bar cart, do your coffee table, you know, whatever you like. Alright you guys, so please remember to check the description box for all the links that are pertinent to this collaboration, okay? And as always, thank you so much for watching. If you liked my video, please give it a like, a thumbs up, and leave me a nice comment. And if you really like what I did, subscribe to the channel. I have so much more to show you guys. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Be blessed now.